Gary Griffith. Gary Griffiths. I know. It's a wide shot. But Gary Griffiths, Johnny Bravo, and Superintendent Roger Alexander. And that live, right? And that live. I would love to see the fight. What's good? What's happening now, YouTube? Now your boys finally here to address this matter, not the I matter. So we all been seeing this trend top. We all been seeing the trending topic. Johnny Bravo versus Superintendent Roger Alexander. The voice of the streets versus the voice of the law in Trinidad. People, who you think better? Boom, boom. Oh, you think would I win a physical fight? That's a fight, a boxing match. That's what them talk about. Boxing match. Who you think I can win? What's the video I post by MYOB? News before news, YouTube, every single way. All links down below in the description of this video, by the way. I'm not gonna put everything in the video. Only thing we have to talk about, I'm here to tell you who I gonna win. I might click me to the blood clot, you know. Anyways, here is some proof. Hold on, before me giving you some proof of why I think Senior Da Costa finna win, Johnny Bravo finna win this match. Right now, make we show you something first, you know. You understand me? I'm gonna put each of them in each other's shoes. You understand what I'm trying to say to you? So we know Johnny Bravo deal with the dance scene, the street scene. So let us put Superintendent Roger Alexander in the dancehall shoes for a minute. Make we see if Mr. Roger Alexander can dance.
As a man, big long chain and big slave band. She as a man, big long chain and big. Ooh, fresh I can handle. She weighs and apply well pressure.
That's not pretty at all. Make we see what Mr. Johnny Bravo doing right now. Alright. We go up and say, alright. Now, we all know the story that they have both been somewhere farm in the military or the army, so that govern. You understand me? That govern. We see how Roger Alexander bad up my boy. You see the videos? Remember, all the videos that I'm talking about, they're going to be pinned down below in the description of this video. Check out MYOB, check out News Before News, check out Johnny Bravo page, check out Alexander page also. All them Instagram down below in the description of this video. Go see the videos that I'm telling about. Anyways, I'm not sure of the name of the person. But there's this one person where you saw Alexander at work. You understand, man? This was I was saying to Alexander, you can't be dealing with me like this. You understand me? You can't deal with me. So basically Alexander didn't rough him up. Yeah, they with him brawling. But hot-head type of say, hey boy, you know me, hey boy, be yourself. You see me, I say. And the man cannot say, you can't deal with me so strong, you understand me? I don't remember the person's name or everything, you understand me, but I need to do a little more digging. I may say, link the videos, them are going to be down below in the description again. Remember, check out News Before News, you understand me? Check out MYOB, check out Johnny Bravo page, and check out Alexander page also for the latest, them I'm telling you about right now. On the list now, what brought me to making this video right here, right now that we're watching? Scrolling through Instagram. MYOB posted, News Before News posted, Johnny Bravo posted. Then I start checking the Bumbuckle Bell, the comment section. Check the comment section now, you know. Alexander nothing. I'm like, what going in? Let me watch this video. We see Johnny Bravo in the gym now, people. We have never seen Johnny Bravo in the gym before, you know. Until now, people, we see Johnny Bravo in the gym actually throwing the fucking hands right now, taking some punches to the gut. People, Johnny Bravo is working out. He's taking this thing very, very serious. People, The war is on. We're joking around. Now, viewers and subscribers, we got to say very, very much a huge thank you to Leston. Yes, big up yourself, people. Leston Instagram will be down below in the description of this video also. Now, we got to say thank you to Leston. We know who is Superintendent Roger Alexander's favorite dancehall artist. Or should I say TriniBad dancehall artist. You okay? Thank you. I will also have to say thank you to him to pop in the question out there. If Alexandra and Mr. Bravo was supposed to throw the hands, we would have no more Trinidad, we only have Tobago. It wouldn't be Trinidad and Tobago no more. Thank you very much. And Voice the Artist. People, you need to check out Voice the Artist live. Johnny Bravo was on that live. Interruption. I'm here to tell you guys to go and follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs for a chance to win 100 US every week. And we got some very, very juicy scoops. Very juicy scoops. Let me give you something weird. Let me tell you where you can go find the scoop, because I'm not going to put the video in this video, but the link will be down below in the description. MYOB. Johnny Bravo was on that live and he mentioned something about. Did you know that Johnny Bravo was held by the FBI? Did you know that the great Johnny Bravo was not a snitch? People, go watch that video for yourself at MYOB. Go check them out. Big up yourself, MYOB. Anyways, more scoop and more rumors, right? Now, I have the scoop. I have the video. I have proof why I think Johnny Bravo, the voice of the streets, will, people, and I say, will, not Will Smith, will. Let me change all the glass. Hold on. Look at how many glass we can change right now. Will! Hold on, no, that one in that will not sound good. What next will there? Where the Will Smith them there? And where the bumbo clot go on them car? Will, people, and I say, will knock out Superintendent Roger Alexander. Now, this video, people, y'all only saw the little clip, right? The little clip. And he was talking about how the man bodied Johnny Bravo. Watch this video. Now, yes, people, Bravo fell. But however, did you watch the video to the end? Watch the end of the video. This man got knocked out in less than a second. Wow. There's also video footage of Superintendent Roger Alexander lifting some weights. Now, this man was chanting Johnny Bravo name in a way that if you was watching that video or listening to that video and not watching it, you might think something fruity going on. Hello. The Clash Hypeman and the Reaction Boss don't play over here. Anyways, just close your eyes. You know what? I'm not going to close your eyes. I'm going to put a black screen and you are listening to the audio of Superintendent Roger Alexander, the voice of the law in Trinidad and Tobago, chanting Johnny Bravo's name.
Johnny Bravo, 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 Johnny Bravo.
Very interesting indeed. Let me change the glasses. Viewers and subscribers, now the closing scene of this video. Now, the voice live, people. That's a very lit corner to go and chill out. It will be great. You understand me? To have. Listen to me now. I would love to see this possible though. Gary Griffith. Gary Griffiths. I know. It's a wide shot. But Gary Griffiths, Johnny Bravo, and Superintendent Roger Alexander. And that live, right? And that live. I would love to see the fight, but we all know this is not going to happen, people. We are talking about TriniBad police. You understand me? And that body. Come on, we know the fight's not going to happen. But actually, do something. Do something charity-wise then for the people. We would love to see that. But I want to see you all on the Instagram live. And y'all give us your honest opinion. And Mr. Gary Griffiths, do you think your pride possession, Roger Alexander, Superintendent Roger Alexander, the voice of the law for you, my good sir, is gonna beat the voice of the streets, the baddest bodyguard in the world, Johnny Bravo? Do you think your Superintendent Alexander will kick Bravo's ass, or do you think Bravo will kick his ass? We want to know. We waiting. This has been your boy, Tyrekevlogs, the reaction boss, and the clash hype man. Leave a like. Tell me who you are voting for. This is just my opinion, by the way. Take nothing in this video serious. You understand? But we really would like to see that fight. Like, come on now. Where this accent came from, Tyreek? You're not American. You're Jamaican. You're Jamaican me crazy, boy. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, share. Links to everything down below in the description of this video. Reaction boss signing out. Peace.